The last few days have been really talking about the importance of patient-centred care and making sure that we put the needs of the patients central to everything that we do. Somebody said the patient is the beginning, the middle and the end, and I think that we can't explain it any better than that. We talked a lot about transparency, the need to be open and honest and clear in communication, and to make sure that everybody's on the same page and has a chance to ask questions and have questions answered. And as we talked about so many times, having patients in the middle of those conversations is essential. We had patients and patient advocates teaching this weekend, sharing their stories and explaining what it's like to be on the other side of the fence. We see a minor medication error as a minor medication error that can't possibly harm someone. For a family, if we get a very simple medication error wrong, they can't trust us to do anything else. So the importance of what we see as being minor and how important that can be as a major event for families was something we discussed. When something goes wrong, the patient and the family have every right to know everything that's happened at the same time as the other clinicians. We talked about some techniques that can be used to make sure that we get the language right and the importance of preparation, but nothing can be as important as including families in episodes of clear and honest transparency and open disclosure. Some of the patients and patient advocates who were with us talked about when they had experienced episodes of harm and how important it was for them to know how the person who was in front of them, the clinician and the human, felt. And we heard about one of our families who had a terrible event happen, and she explained how powerful it was and how important it was to her to see that the clinicians involved were also upset. So I think that even though it's very hard for us as clinicians, it is really important to be honest with your emotions and honest about what happened, because ultimately this is not a conversation about right and wrong. This is a conversation about humans connecting and communicating about an event.